There are many products available to choose camping stoves, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best camping stoves from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Camp Chef Everest 2 times. The Camp Chef Everest 2X is a fresh take on Camp Chef's classic award-winning stove. This time around, Camp Chef upped the ante, making a beefier cousin to the original model. It has a larger cook surface, a nearly seamless windscreen, and excellent simmerability, despite having an impressive 20,000 BTUs per burner. They even improved upon the previously flimsy latches. With a fast boil time and functional piezo auto-igniter, this stove is sure to impress even the most discerning camp chefs. The drawbacks with this stove are fairly negligible unless space, weight, fuel efficiency, or price are a concern. The revamped Everest 2 times is among the bulkier and heavier tabletop propane stoves we tested. It is also fairly expensive. However, it is comparable in price to the other top performers in our review, so we think it is worth it, especially for premium durability and wind resistance. Number 2. Gas 1 GS3000. The Gas 1 GS3000 is capable of slaying any single pot meal you're craving, so don't let its slim price tag fool you. This competent single burner has excellent simmer control, is easy to care for, and is ultra portable. It's also the lightest model we tested. This stove has just one single burner, but you could buy 3 of them for almost the same cost as the cheapest dual burner we tested. In a competitive field, this stove holds its own, scoring at the top of the pack for portability, ease of care, and ease of setup. The Gas 1 lacks wind protection and requires butane as its fuel source. Butane can be more difficult to find than propane, which is widely available. This is also one of the least fuel-efficient stoves we tested. And, when cooking for a group, its single burner is not as practical as a 2-burner stove, but using it alongside another 2-burner stove is an affordable way to have 3 flames at once. Number 3. Coleman Cascade 3-in-1. Looking for more than just soup heated from the can? The Coleman Cascade 3-in-1 is your go-to for bodacious outdoor chefs and grill masters. More than a stove, it is our favorite multi-use camp kitchen, doubling as a cast-iron grill and griddle. It offers a top-notch cooktop experience with the classic outdoor charm of cast-iron cooking. Cast-iron is known for its evenly heated cooking, durability, and ability to infuse a unique smoky flavor that can tempt your friends into line for seconds. Its versatility makes it the perfect cooktop for those who love to whip up various delicious cuisines lakeside or tailgating in the mountains. Plus, let's be real, food tastes better fresh off the grill, especially with a view. Coleman designed the Cascade 3-in-1 for convenience. It's compact, boils water quickly, and is a breeze to clean and store. Its multi-use versatility makes it a favorite among our reviewers. Number 4. Camp Chef Mountaineer 2 times. If you prefer gear built to last, then the Camp Chef Mountaineer 2 times certainly checks that box. It is durable and fuel-efficient, 2 features that lend to a lower environmental footprint. It boils quickly without wind, and, owing to a solid windscreen and recessed burners, our wind test barely phased it. With auto-igniters and good control on the low end for excellent simmering, this stove impressed even the most discerning on our review team. We found it carried well, despite its weight, and with its rectangular shape, it stowed away easily with our camping kitchen gear. In terms of functionality, there was very little to complain about with the Mountaineer. It is a premium stove that is designed exceptionally well. However, with a premium stove comes a premium price. Beyond being the most expensive stove in our review, the Mountaineer is also among the heftier and least compact of the tabletop models. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.